So previous champion job change, and the prior company used a competitor. So I've built a play here called job changers where at the previous organization they used 6 cents. So what you're actually going to notice here is I want to add a filter for, first of all, I'm interested in economic buyers. The next thing, we built a calculated field that actually looks across job listings. So the AI goes and searches the web for companies that the previous company was using 6 cents. So you can see here, for example, for Dave, 6 cents was mentioned in a job listing. So let's go to his previous company. Here we have a calculated field for 6 cents. This is super cool. We can even search past listings that are no longer live. On September 4th, they were hiring for a senior marketing operation, and I bet you that a 6 cents was mentioned in the job description. And I can actually see it. So we're pretty confident that if they mentioned they were using 6 cents 2 weeks ago, that's probably a fact, and that's how we built this hyper-personalized list of people. We have 25 economic buyers here, right? And now I'm going to click into Dave. I want to, again, add him to a sequence. This is going to be a separate one, which I've called AI snippet sequence. And here we're going to have the snippet that mentions, saw you recently left this company. I actually understand that they were using 6 cents for intent. Talked a little bit about some of the challenges here and how we're different. So we've gotten to a place here again where AI is looking across job listings. It's differentiating between us and a competitor, and it's pulling this information from a calculated field. So just to go here again on the back end to show you what this would actually look like from a prompt perspective. So write a few brief sentences. Again, the thing I want to call out is that it's pulling in the previous organization, who the competitor is, and building a pretty compelling message here again, which from an SDR manager perspective is better than what I generally see. And it takes us from 0 to 1.